Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to start a video call with your friends on Discord. So let's start. First, open the Discord app. When the app opens, it will usually land you on your server's inbox. From here you have to tap on the three bars on top left corner. Then tap on the text icon on top left corner. Then open up the conversation you want to start a video call with. And on top right corner you will see a video icon. If you tap on that, it will immediately start a video call. If you tap on the profile icon on top right corner, you will also have the option to start a video call. Now I'll just tap on video and it will take a few moments to start the call. And here you can see that the video call is now starting. And whenever your friend receives the call will start. You can enable and disable your camera and your microphone anytime you want. And that's how you can start a video call with your friends on Discord. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.